The Top 10 Bolt Action Rifles for Deer Hunting in 2025, a Hunter's Guide. Deer hunting has always been a cherished tradition and a test of skill, patience, and precision. In 2025, bolt-action rifles continue to dominate the deer hunting world due to their reliability, accuracy, and variety. Whether you're tracking whitetail in dense woods or targeting mule deer in open country, the right rifle can dramatically impact your success. This guide walks you through the top 10 bolt-action rifles for deer hunting in 2025, each chosen for its innovation, performance, and real-world utility. Number 10. Ruger American Rifle Generation 2. The Ruger American Rifle Generation 2 builds on the strong reputation of its predecessor with key upgrades that cater to modern deer hunters. Known for its affordability and dependability, this rifle now features a more refined stock design, enhanced ergonomics, and an improved Ruger Marksman adjustable trigger. Chambered in popular deer calibers like .308 Winchester, .3006 Springfield, and 6.5 Creedmoor, it offers hunters flexibility without compromising performance. A standout feature is its factory-installed muzzle brake, which significantly reduces felt recoil, making it an excellent choice for younger hunters or those sensitive to recoil. The 3-lug bolt provides a smooth cycling action, while the power bedding system ensures consistent accuracy. A flush-fit rotary magazine and a new ambidextrous stock texture add to the rifle's practicality in the field. Ultimately, the Ruger American Rifle Gen 2 offers excellent value for its price point, giving both novice and seasoned hunters a capable tool that performs well above its class. It's not just a budget rifle, it's a serious contender for anyone looking to tag a deer in 2025. Number 9. Savage 110 Ultralite. The Savage 110 Ultralite is a top pick for hunters prioritizing weight reduction without sacrificing performance. Designed in collaboration with Proof Research, this rifle features a carbon fiber wrapped stainless steel barrel that dramatically cuts down weight while enhancing barrel rigidity. Weighing just under 6 pounds, is one of the lightest bolt-action rifles tailored for serious backcountry deer hunts. At the heart of the 110 Ultralite is the adjustable ACU fit stock system. It allows shooters to customize length of pole and comb height, ensuring a perfect fit regardless of body type or shooting style. Combine that with Savage's signature ACU trigger, and you've got a rifle that delivers a crisp, user-adjustable trigger pull that enhances shot accuracy. Performance in the field is where this rifle truly shines. Its lightweight makes it easy to carry for miles, especially in mountainous or uneven terrain. Hunters have reported sub-MOA accuracy with factory ammunition, a testament to its build quality and design synergy. While it may sit at a higher price point than some entry-level rifles, the Savage 110 Ultralite justifies the investment through its outstanding build quality and performance. It's a purpose-driven tool for hunters who demand reliability and precision deep in the wilderness. This rifle isn't just about saving ounces, it's about gaining confidence when it matters most. Number 8. Winchester Model 70 Extreme Weather SS. The Winchester Model 70 is often referred to as the rifleman's rifle, and the Extreme Weather SS variant cements that legacy for the modern hunter. This version maintains the time-tested controlled round feed action, a favorite among experienced hunters for its reliability in the harshest conditions. The Extreme Weather SS model sports a Bell & Carlson composite stock with a textured surface for improved grip in wet conditions. Its full-length aluminum bedding block enhances accuracy by preventing stock flex and ensuring consistent barrel harmonics. Chamber options range from .243 Win to .300 Win Mag, allowing deer hunters to select the ideal caliber for their hunting environment. One of the highlights is its stainless steel fluted barrel, which not only resists corrosion but also improves heat dissipation and reduces weight. It's paired with Winchester's MOA trigger system, offering a zero creeps, zero over travel experience that helps maintain tight shot groups at longer distances. For deer hunters who need a no-nonsense rifle that performs consistently regardless of the elements, the Model 70 Extreme Weather SS is a top-tier choice. It combines the heritage and proven mechanics of the Model 70 platform with modern enhancements to meet the demands of today's serious hunters. Number 7. Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness. The Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness is a near-perfect blend of cutting-edge materials and classic hunting rifle performance. Built on Pgara's renowned B14 action, this rifle offers sub-MOA accuracy out of the box and delivers consistent results across various conditions. It features a carbon fiber barrel that reduces overall weight while maintaining excellent heat resistance and rigidity. What sets this rifle apart is its attention to detail and construction and feel. The stock is patterned after a traditional hunting profile but includes a soft-touch textured finish, giving a secure grip in rain or cold. The stock's neutral comb height and slightly raised cheek weld aid natural eye alignment, which improves shot consistency. The smooth two-lug bolt with a 90-degree throw is reliable and fast cycling, making follow-up shots smooth and instinctive. The rifle comes with a hinged floor plate magazine, eliminating worries about mag loss in the field. Accuracy is where the Pgara truly shines. Known for their precision barrels, Pgara rifles consistently deliver sub-MOA groups with premium factory ammo. Combined with its reduced weight and ergonomic design, this makes the Ridge Carbon Wilderness an excellent choice for hunters who venture deep into the backcountry or require mobility without sacrificing precision. In 2025, the Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness stands out as a premium yet practical rifle. It offers the perfect balance of lightweight maneuverability and long-range precision, making it an ideal companion for the modern deer hunter. Number 6. Mosberg Patriot LR Hunter. The Mosberg Patriot LR Hunter is a standout among affordable long-range bolt-action rifles, and it's an exceptional choice for deer hunters looking for consistent accuracy at distance. Released with hunters and precision shooters in mind, this rifle offers a perfect blend of traditional design and modern shooting performance. The rifle features a striking gray laminate stock that's both rigid and stylish. It provides excellent ergonomics and comes with a Monte Carlo-style comb, which aligns naturally with optics, a significant benefit for hunters using scopes. Its fluted, threaded barrel not only helps reduce weight and dissipate heat, but also allows for easy attachment of suppressors or muzzle brakes. Its performance at medium to long ranges is excellent, with many users reporting sub-MOA accuracy out of the box when paired with the right ammunition. The rifle's 22 or 24 barrel length, depending on caliber, ensures excellent velocity and terminal performance, even at extended ranges. Overall, the Mosberg Patriot LR Hunter is perfect for those looking to step up their deer hunting game without spending a fortune. Whether you're taking longer shots across fields or shooting from a stand, this rifle's precision and design make it a reliable companion. It delivers great value, modern features, and a comfortable shooting experience, making it a top-tier choice for the 2025 deer season. Number 5. Browning XBolt Speed. The Browning XBolt Speed is a premium bolt-action rifle purpose-built for the modern deer hunter who values accuracy, speed, and field readiness. Designed as a lightweight yet rugged hunting rifle, the XBolt Speed is optimized for backcountry hunters, stand hunters, and everyone in between. One of the standout features of this rifle is its fluted sporter contour barrel with a Cerakote smoke bronze finish. The fluting reduces weight and increases cooling efficiency, while the Cerakote finish enhances corrosion resistance and durability in harsh environments. The barrel is threaded and comes equipped with a muzzle brake, which significantly reduces recoil and can be swapped out for a suppressor or thread protector. The Ovix Camo synthetic stock gives the rifle a natural, low-glare appearance suitable for various hunting landscapes from wooded thickets to high plains. The stock is ergonomically shaped with textured grip areas and a comfortable recoil pad, making it easier to shoot for extended sessions and long hunts. Browning's proprietary feather trigger system is another strong point, providing a clean, crisp pull with minimal creep. It's factory set but also adjustable to fine-tune your shooting feel. This is critical when you're aiming at a trophy buck and need consistent shot release. Available in popular calibers such as .308 Wind, 6.5 Creedmoor, .3006 Springfield, and more, the XBolt Speed can handle a wide variety of deer hunting scenarios. It weighs in at about 6.5 to 7 pounds, making it a solid balance between portability and stability. For 2025, the Browning XBolt Speed stands out as one of the most complete deer hunting rifles on the market, offering a professional-level package for those who take their hunting seriously. Number 4. Remington Model 700 Alpha 1. The Remington Model 700 Alpha 1 marks a major comeback and upgrade for one of the most iconic bolt-action rifles in American hunting history. The Model 700 has been trusted by generations of deer hunters, and in 2025, the Alpha 1 version redefines the classic with a host of modern enhancements that boost precision, functionality, and field performance. The Alpha 1 action is newly engineered with a 3-lug bolt and full-diameter body, which allows for an ultra-smooth cycling experience and a tighter lockup than previous generations. This results in greater consistency and accuracy, especially when shooting at longer ranges, a key consideration when hunting deer across open terrain or at extended distances. Its elite hunter trigger is another high point. Factory set for a clean break, it is also externally adjustable, giving hunters full control over trigger feel. Whether you prefer a lighter pull for range work or a slightly heavier one for gloved hunting in winter, the Alpha 1 accommodates both. It's available in popular and versatile deer hunting chamberings like .308 Win, .3006, 6.5 Creedmoor, and .300 Win Mag. These calibers offer proven stopping power and ballistic efficiency, allowing the Alpha 1 to be used in almost any North American deer habitat. The stock is tactical style with a vertical grip, providing excellent support for precision shooting. It's built with rigidity and control in mind, especially useful when taking rested or prone shots. Altogether, the Remington Model 700 Alpha 1 offers a perfect mix of heritage and innovation. It's a refined, premium-grade hunting rifle that delivers professional-grade performance, ideal for hunters who demand absolute consistency from their gear in the field. Number 3. Howarbon Elevate. The Howarbon Elevate is a modern bolt-action rifle engineered for hunters who venture deep into the backcountry or high into the mountains. In a time when lightweight rifles dominate the high-performance hunting market, the Howarbon Elevate sets itself apart by delivering lightweight, premium materials, and precision performance, all at an accessible price point. Weighing just over 6 pounds, this rifle is impressively light, thanks in large part to its carbon fiber wrap barrel. This design doesn't just shed pounds, it also maintains structural rigidity, reduces barrel vibration, and improves heat dispersion. That means hunters get both consistent accuracy and the ability to carry the rifle for long distances without fatigue. The Saki's carbon fiber stock features a vertical grip, palm swell, and soft touch coating for a secure hold even in wet or cold weather. The stock's form is rigid and stable, enhancing shot-to-shot accuracy whether you're shooting off a pack, a bipod, or a natural rest. Internally, the rifle uses the time-tested HOW 1500 action, which is known for its smooth bolt throw and rock-solid reliability. The action is mated to a match-grade 2-stage hack trigger, which is crisp, predictable, and adjustable. Whether you're climbing mountains for mule deer or hiking through deep hardwoods for whitetail, the Howarbon Elevate is an outstanding tool. It's the rifle for the modern hunter, lightweight, rugged, and built to take the shot when it matters most. Number 2. Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness. The Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness stands out as one of the most refined and accurate bolt-action rifles available to deer hunters in 2025. Built on Pgara's rock-solid B14 action and paired with the carbon fiber barrel, this rifle combines lightweight mobility with bent-crest-level precision, a rare and valuable combination in the field. The carbon wrap barrel is not just for show. It's engineered to reduce overall weight while maintaining the stiffness and heat resistance needed for consistent performance over multiple shots. The threaded muzzle comes standard with a muzzle brake, which noticeably tames recoil, especially in heavier calibers. It's also suppressor-ready, offering flexibility for hunters who prefer a quieter, more controlled shooting experience. One of the standout features of the Ridge Carbon Wilderness is its American-style stock, finished in a textured sniper gray with a black webbing pattern, giving it a rugged, weather-resistant exterior and secure grip. The stock includes integral pillar bedding and a soft-touch coating, enhancing both precision and comfort. This is a rifle designed to function flawlessly in wet, cold, or high-altitude environments. The B14 action is incredibly smooth with a 2-lug bolt and a sliding plate extractor. The bolt cycles cleanly, and combined with the Pgara performance trigger, delivers a clean, consistent break, making this rifle extremely shootable in field conditions. Sub-OA accuracy is guaranteed, and in practice, many users report even tighter groupings with the right ammunition. Chamberings include versatile and effective deer cartridges like 6.5 Creedmoor, .308 Win, 6.5 PRC, and more. With a weight range around 6.5-7 pounds, it strikes an ideal balance between packability and stability for precision shooting. Whether you're glassing for mule deer in the Rockies or sitting over a whitetail scrape line in the Midwest, the Pgara B14 Ridge Carbon Wilderness delivers confidence-inspiring accuracy, rugged durability, and refined ergonomics. It's the kind of rifle you'll rely on for years, and one of the very best bolt-action rifles available for deer hunting in 2025. Number 1. Tika T3X Light Veil Alpine. Taking the top spot in our list of the best bolt-action rifles for deer hunting in 2025 is the Tika T3X Light Veil Alpine, a masterclass in lightweight precision, Scandinavian craftsmanship, and real-world field utility. Tika, a Finnish brand under the Sako umbrella, is revered for producing extremely accurate rifles with smooth, reliable actions, and the T3X Light Veil Alpine is the crown jewel of its hunting lineup. What immediately makes this rifle stand out is its ultra-lightweight construction, weighing just under 6.5 pounds, ideal for long hunts where covering ground and elevation is key. The Veil Alpine combo stock is both attractive and effective, designed to blend into rocky, high-altitude terrain, though it's just as functional in forests and open plains. The stock is fitted with Tika's recoil-absorbing technology and features an interchangeable pistol grip and modular form, allowing shooters to tailor fit and feel. The rifle's cold hammer-forged, fluted barrel offers exceptional accuracy and heat resistance. It's also threaded and comes with a factory-installed muzzle brake, which greatly reduces felt recoil, especially useful when shooting high-powered cartridges like .308 Win, 6.5 Creedmoor, or .270 Win. The barrel length, usually 22-24 inches depending on caliber, helps deliver optimal muzzle velocity and downrange energy, perfect for taking deer at extended distances. Tika's renowned T3X bolt action is silky smooth, quiet, and incredibly dependable. The single-stage trigger is light and crisp, factory set for precision, but user-adjustable to meet individual preferences. The detachable box magazine feeds reliably, and the top of the receiver is drilled and tapped for scope mounts, making optics installation straightforward and secure. What truly sets the T3X Light Veil Alpine apart is its consistency. Whether you're shooting from a rest, standing, or in extreme weather, it performs with the kind of accuracy and reliability usually reserved for custom builds, but in a factory rifle at competitive price. If you want a hunting rifle that's light enough to carry all day, tough enough for the harshest conditions, and accurate enough to make that once-in-a-lifetime shot count, the Tika T3X Light Veil Alpine is the best bolt-action rifle for deer hunting in 2025. Deer hunting demands more than just patience and skill. It requires equipment that performs flawlessly when the moment of truth arrives. The bolt-action rifles featured in this guide represent the very best of what 2025 has to offer, each excelling in accuracy, durability, ergonomics, and field reliability. Whether you're trekking through rugged mountains, hiking deep in hardwood forests, or hunting open plains, there's a rifle here that matches your style, skill level, and specific needs. From the lightweight precision of the Tika T3X Light Veil Alpine to the rugged innovation of the Remington Alpha 1 and the mountain-ready performance of the Howarbon Elevate, each rifle brings something unique to the table. Remember, the best rifle isn't just the one with the most features, it's the one that feels right in your hands, shoots straight with your preferred ammo, and gives you confidence every time you chamber a round. Take your time, test if possible, and invest in a rifle that will serve you not just this season, but for many years of hunts to come.